This multiplication table shows that, for example, 20 times 0.2 is equal to 4. 20 times 0.2 is equal to 4, as you can see across the rows and columns. Some of the table entries are missing. From the information given in the table, 200 times 0.02 is equal to what? Okay, we know that this table only goes 20 to 0.2, 0.02, etc. But let's pretend that there was an extra little row here. And instead of having a row here, it would actually say just 200. You can see that down this row we're going and dividing by 10 each time. 200, 20, 2, 0.2, etc. So putting 200 in this position will actually follow on with the pattern we had previously. Now we want 200 times 0.2. So continuing this out here, the 0.2 is what would be in this spot here. So we're trying to see what number goes in this box. So let's look at our patterns that are going up this row. Okay, so we have 0.04, a blank, 0.4 and a 4. Now, seeing as each is going up by 10, by a multiple of 10, it follows that in this box we should have something like 0.04. That would make sense as it follows on the pattern. Extrapolating this pattern further, times 10, times 10, times 10, and then we have to times by 10 again. So in this box, we should have 4 times 10, or 40. So 200 times 0.2 should be 40. Our answer here, A.